Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to calculate the sum in Excel. So this is the same worksheet which we were working earlier. I have reduced the sum of the rows for making it convenient. So this is a very small Excel sheet where the data of a company has been presented. This is invoice number, date, PO number, rate, quantity, total. Now currently we are going to take only these three columns, just coloring it, and the paid allowance, paid amount and balance amount. So first of all, I want to understand how much is the rate and what was the quantity. So rate into quantity is the total amount. So what I did, I have calculated the value using equals function and I put T2 into means star mark into quantity. So the total amount has come and I'm just copying the formulas to the end of the sheet, till the end of the sheet. And then paid amount, how much was they paid? There is no formula in this. Now we want to understand the balance of each lines, each against each invoice numbers. So I am taking another formula that is equal to F2 minus paid amount. There is no balance because the 7,12,000 was the total amount which was due on that invoice and they paid 7,12,000 itself. So there is no balance. And I'm just copying that formula to the all the other cells. So if you see 89,000 for one product and quantity was 8 quantity. So the total amount comes to 7,12,000. They paid only 6 lakhs rupees. Now the balance is 1,12,000. And again here also the same. 10,68,000 was the invoice value and they paid only 10 lakhs rupees. So there is a balance of 68,000 rupees. Here 7,12,000 was the invoice amount and they paid 7,12,000. Now we want to understand how much was the total invoiced value for that region, for that quarter. So what I did, I put Autosum. This is the Autosum value. Autosum. There are two ways. One, either we can do calculation for each cell. Take F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5 plus F6 plus F7 plus F8 plus F9 plus F10 plus F11. The value is 7,72,000. This is little time consuming, but this is very simple. But this instead of this, we can use one another formula, that is Autosum. Once we click on that Autosum function option, the cell itself asks for the range till the blank cell, last blank cell, that I will explain later. So the amount is same total. I'm just copying this function towards paid amount and balance amount. Now what has happened? You can see 77,20,016 was the total billed value, and different customers are paid only 66,79,000 total, and there is a value of difference of 10,41,004 rupees. Otherwise, instead of clicking on a Autosum, you can do one more function. If you are well aware with the keyboards, there is a function that equals sum. Bracket start. We can select that range. This is a very simple calculation. Sum and multiplication we have identified. How we can do the sum, how we can do the multiplication, and at the same time we found how to do the subtraction function in this. One more thing, that is division function. Say we want to understand how much was the value for each, because if you don't know the rate, and I'm just hiding it, so we don't have the rate. So we want to understand how much was the rates for each product. We have the quantity and the total. So I'm just checking the example as this: 7,12,000 F2 divided by 100. This E2 7120. Right? The same amount has come. I'm just opening this column. Say 7120, 89,000, 89,000, 1,06,800, 1,06,800. So these are the basic formulas which are in Excel. There are so many formulas. Those formulas we will learn in coming classes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for further updates. Thanks.